Ndewono! Welcome to Chiderateachesigbo!
Yay!
Today's topic is Nkọwa onwe. Nkọwa onwe, which simply means self-introductions. Self-introductions. We are going to be talking about the basic questions you could ask if you want to know more about someone in Igbo language. But before we go into it, let me go and get my seat. Remember our topic, Nkọwa onwe, meaning self-introduction. We are going to be looking at 7 basic questions you could ask someone if you want to know more about the person. 7 basic questions. Now the first question is, Gịnị bụ aha gị? Meaning, what is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? The second question is, Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Where are you from? Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Meaning, where are you from? The third question is, Kedu ebe ị bi? Meaning, where do you live? Kedu ebe ị bi? Where do you live? The fourth question is, Afọ one ka ị dị? Afọ one ka ị dị? Meaning, how old are you? The fifth question is, Kedu asụsụ ị ma asụ? Meaning, what language can you speak? Kedu asụsụ ị ma asụ? What language can you speak? The sixth question is, Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Meaning, what do you do? Now the seventh question is, Kedu ihe na-amasị gị ime? What is your hobby? Kedu ihe na-amasị gị ime? Meaning, what is your hobby? Now these are the 7 basic questions you could ask someone if you want to know more about them in Igbo language. Let's go over the questions again. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Kedu ebe ị bi? Kedu ebe ị bi? Afọ ole ka ị dị? Afọ ole ka ị dị? Kedu asụsụ ị ma asụ? Kedu asụsụ ị ma asụ? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Kedu ihe na-amasị gị ime? Kedu ihe na-amasị gị ime? These are the 7 basic questions you could ask anyone if you want to know more about them in Igbo language. That will be it for today. But in our next video, we are going to be talking about the responses to these questions we have learned in Igbo language. Meanwhile, komesia.